Hi friends, it's Kristy Mcmillen. I'm your family liaison. Today I'm going to read Skeleton Hiccups by Marjorie Kyler and illustrated by S.D. Schindler. Skeleton woke up. Had the hiccups. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Polished his bones. Carved a pumpkin. Raked some leaves. Played with Ghost. Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. Eat some sugar. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Drink some water. Upside down. Ghost made a face. Said boo to Skeleton. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Found a mirror. Held it up. Skeleton screamed. The hiccups left. They jumped away. Hooray! Wasn't that an exciting book? Could you imagine having hiccups like that? Have a great day.